How to find and add friends and people near you on Snapchat. This tutorial shows you how to discover and connect with people around you using Snap Map on your Android device. First, open the Snapchat app on your Android device. After that, tap on the map icon at the bottom of the screen to open Snap Map. From there, you'll see a live map showing your current location and public activity happening around you. At this point, zoom in on your area or any specific location you want to explore by pinching in or out on the map. In the next step, you'll see colorful clusters or hotspots on the map indicating where people have posted public spotlights or stories from that area. Following this, tap on any hotspot or location on the map that interests you to see the public posts from that area. Once done, browse through the public stories or spotlights posted from that location. From here, find the post from someone you want to add and tap on it to open it. At this stage, tap on their profile icon or username that appears on their post to visit their profile. After this, once you're on their profile, tap on Add Friend to send them a friend request, or tap Follow if their account is public. Finally, repeat the same steps for any other people you come across on the map that you want to connect with. And that's it. If this Snapchat guide helped you find and add people near you, give it a like, subscribe for more Snapchat tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.